Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy, nutrient-rich and wholesome salad recipe which is a meal in itself, and you can enjoy it as a meal for lunch or for dinner. A secret ingredient makes this salad gut-friendly, plus it's an oil-free salad. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm finely chopping in one medium-sized cucumber. Next, I'm chopping in 1/4 of a capsicum. Finely chopping in one medium-sized tomato. Next, I'm grating in 2 carrots. The secret ingredient I'm using in this recipe is raw papaya, also known as green papaya. So this is a small piece of green papaya. I'll be peeling off the skin and removing the seeds, and then I'll grate the papaya. So I'll be using around 1 cup of grated green or raw papaya. Raw papaya contains more enzymes than ripe papaya. Raw papaya helps in digestion. The enzymes in raw papaya helps to break down food in the body, including carbohydrates, fats and protein. Green papaya hence helps to lose weight and boost digestive health. It's a good source of vitamin C, A, folate, fiber, magnesium, potassium and copper. The enzymes in raw papaya actually helps to break down the proteins in the gut and relieves gas, bloating, indigestion, acid reflux, heartburn and nausea. Raw papaya is a natural gut cleanser. So do try to include raw papaya in your diet for better gut health. I'm finally chopping in 1 green chilli. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Chopping in a handful of coriander leaves. Finally chopping in a small piece of ginger. You can also grate the ginger if you prefer. Finally chopping in 3 cloves of garlic. Next I'm adding in boiled and cooled 100 grams of sweet potato. So what I've done is I scraped the skin with a knife and then I sliced it into small pieces like this and boiled it in a saucepan and drained it and allowed it to completely cool down. Sweet potatoes, when cooled completely, is a good source of resistant starch, which is much needed to maintain a good gut health. I'm chopping the 100 grams of sweet potato into the bowl. For some healthy gut-friendly probiotics, I'm adding in a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. When you're using apple cider vinegar, make sure you're using the one with the mother. The mother is actually the healthy gut-friendly bacteria. Next, I'm squeezing in half a lemon. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. 2 cups of boiled chana, also known as chickpeas. So what I've done is I soaked the chana overnight and pressure cooked until it is cooked. I also added a little salt when cooking the chana. Teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed. 3/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder. Half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. A handful of shallots. I like to use shallots in my recipes as they're a good source of iron and folate. They're also rich in antioxidants and also helps in good gut health. For an Indian flavor, I'm adding in half teaspoon chaat masala. This is entirely optional. I'm going to give the salad a good mix. At this moment, you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. I'm going to keep this aside. To make the oil-free salad dressing, I have already soaked 10 to 15 or a handful of almonds overnight. So this is overnight soaked and peeled almonds. I'm adding the almonds into the chutney grinder, squeezing in half a lemon, 1/3 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, add in 1/4 cup water, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, and I'm going to blend this really well. And once blended, it's creamy and thick. So my vegan oil-free mayonnaise is ready to serve. Transfer the salad into a serving bowl. You can see how thick and creamy the oil-free dressing is. It has a good amount of healthy fats, hence there is no need to add in any extra oil in this oil-free vegan mayonnaise. And now I'm going to drizzle it over the salad. And my oil-free, healthy, gut-friendly salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this salad recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.